Hello there, welcome to Success Online Australia, where we share our knowledge on growing your sales through strategic planning on web development and optimization. In this video, we are going to share which is better for online business brand, a funnel or a website. If you have been watching the series, you'll come up with an idea of which really suits your online business brand. On the previous video, we discussed the pros and cons of a business website. In case you missed it, you can find the link of the video on the description box below or the I button on the upper right corner of the video. For this video, we are going to explain thoroughly between the two sites. Having an online business brand or planning to have one is really good, but you need to consider what is the perfect site for your online business brand. Plenty of those who have business site already used website. Website is good because it allows the user to feel a connection with your website as the objects appear familiar. It is good for those users who loves exploring things. As for the funnel site, it is good for those people who wants a clear to see story of your site. Because of its one-page layout, the user will automatically have all the information of your site. It has the user-friendly scrolling navigation advantage. What do you think? Which site suits your online business brand? Is it the funnel site or the business website? Comment down below of which site you think is the best for your online business brand. In need of someone to make your online business brand site? You're in good hands. We can do both the funnel site and the business website. Just don't hesitate to email us at sales@successonline.com.au. And please don't forget to like this video and make sure to subscribe on our channel and click the notification bell for you to be notified anytime we post a new video. Thank you for watching.